Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to buy APC Arctic Pablo token crypto coin. So if you also want to buy APC, for that first of all what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Now you'll have to go to the official website of APC. For that what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in arcticpablo.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Arctic Pablo. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to buy the Arctic Pablo, for that what you have to do is click on this option, buy now. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to buy the APC. Step 1 is to select the payment method. You'll be able to find various payment methods over here. You'll be able to find the options like ETH, BNB, SOL, etc. Also if you click on the more option, you'll be able to find more payment methods over here. So simply click on the option of your choice. Here I've just selected the option for ETH. You'll also be able to see the conversion over here. You'll be able to see the APC value of 1 ETH over here. So you can simply enter the amount of token you would like to purchase. Simply click on this field. Now what you have to do is simply enter the amount of ETS that you would like to convert to APC. After you do that, you'll be able to see the conversion over here. Now if you have any referral code, you can click on the field of referral code. Now you can enter the code over here. Now after doing all that, what you have to do is simply click on this option, connect wallet. If your wallet is already connected, over here you'll be able to find the option for buy now. Simply click on it. After you do that, simply follow any other on-screen instructions. After that, the APC will be bought and deposited in the wallet that you connected. So like this, you'll be able to buy the APC. So that is how you buy APC Arctic Pablo token crypto coin. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.